What's up, everyone? We're out here. We're finally on the yak. We're finally on the kayak. About darn time. We finally got it out. We got the rods on the back. So what we're looking at today. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna paddle around a little bit. Then we're gonna throw some line in the water. I don't know if you can hear that. There's a couple loons calling. Oh. Break out the old trusty Googans today. Got the lunker logs. See if we can get a bass or something to take one of these. All right, here we go. First cast in the kayak. See if we can get something. Stuck on a lily pad there. All right, we made the switch to the old spinnerbait. Do a little color. Water's kind of murky, so we'll see if we can get some action on this, huh? I think there's some type of fish in here somewhere. Oh, I caught onto those weeds. Dang it. Well, guess we're just gonna get our way over there. There we go. Holy moly. Let's not get snagged on the way out. Alright, everybody. We've been out here for about an hour and a half now. I'm gonna go in because I'm ready for lunch. And we weren't getting any bites on this lake. If you liked today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel go a long way, and it lets me know that you guys like what I'm doing. And we're out on the kayak, so we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff now, which is super exciting. We're gonna be checking out a lot more lakes down in the Twin Cities area, and hopefully cruising around. We might take a trip up north. We'll see. Anyways, enough for me. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.